going to guide you through on how you can download and install Google Chrome in your laptop or your PC. In order to do that, open any browser in your laptop or your PC. For me, I have my Microsoft Edge installed on my PC. I can just click here to open it, and the moment you open it, go over to the address bar and type Google Chrome. The moment you type Google Chrome, you can just press the enter on your keyboard and this will load for you. On the search result, you can see from the official Google website where you have Google Chrome to download. You can just right click on this to open it in a new tab and you can see it from here. The moment it loads, you will see from this very place that tell you that this is meant for Windows 10 and Windows 11 OS. And you can see from here Windows 11/Windows 10 64-bit. And here you can just click on download to quickly download that. I can just uncheck this and click this download, and this will be downloaded for me in my PC. So let's just wait for it to download, and after it finished downloading, we see the next step on how you can go ahead to install it. It doesn't really take much time to actually do that. Please don't forget, if you are new to this channel, you can hit that like button on this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified of when I upload new video on this particular channel. Let's go ahead on this video. Now this has finished downloading. You can just click here to actually get started in the installation. Now while this is being installed, make sure that your network is very strong, because if your network is not strong, you will notice that at the end of the whole thing that there is a kind of interruption and it will not a kind of download as fast as possible. So you make sure that your network is strong so that this will actually download fast. You can see mine as is just quickly moving and is downloading. So you give it a little while and it will finish downloading, and the moment it finishes downloading, the installation just goes on automatically. And so that's one thing about this. And remember, this is actually happening direct from the Google website. They make it in such a way that the Google Chrome can be downloaded without you having to a kind of meet up with Lego or a kind of buy and use all of those things. This is a free source, and you can actually download it and install it in your PC and use it for whatever reason that you wish to use it for. You can see this is installing at the moment. Give it a little while and it will finish installing, and the moment it finishes installing, yes, you have your Google Chrome installed in your PC, and that's the Google Chrome browser that is being installed. Now this has finished installing at the moment. Here, if you wish to sign in to this Google Chrome browser, you can just click here, sign in with your Gmail account. And if you don't wish to sign in for any reason, you can just click don't sign in. The reason for signing in is just to a kind of back up some data on this browser. For instance, the bookmark and some passwords that you can use across different devices. So, but if you don't wish, it's okay. You can just click don't sign in and there'll be no problem. You can set this as default browser in your PC by clicking on set as default, and the moment it's done, you can see the whole of this, and it is all installed in your PC. And so that's just the simple way you can follow to install Google Chrome in your laptop or your PC. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to get notified of when we upload new video in this particular channel. Thank you.